Did you know you can design a full mobile app in Figma using Claude in just a few minutes? No manual frames, no starting from scratch, just one prompt and Claude does that work for you. Let me show you exactly how. So welcome back and let's start designing. First, go to figma.com and click the Get Started button to sign in if you haven't already signed in. After that, open Claude and click this Customize tab. Then go to Connectors. For me, Figma is already showing here because I connected it before. But if it is not showing for you, just search for it and you will see Figma. Click Connect. And then we need to allow access. So let's click this button. Now Claude has access to your Figma account. If you want, you can customize these settings. So you can choose what Claude has access to and what it doesn't. Then go back. So we will need Claude, Figma and the prompt we are going to give to Claude to generate this design. Here's the prompt I'm going to use. You can get this from the link in the description. So in this prompt, all the font sizes, colors and styles are clearly defined. So let's copy this whole prompt and paste it into the Claude chat. Now press enter. So now Claude has started designing. Sometimes it may ask you to allow access or select a Figma theme, so you can just answer those. Also, you can even provide a Figma file link along with this prompt, so Claude will create the design inside that specific Figma file. But since we did not provide any Figma link, Claude will create a brand new Figma file and give us the link with the completed design. So here it has finished designing. So we can open the Figma file using this link. In the prompt I mentioned I need these 3 pages and specific colors, and it has designed exactly according to the prompt. But there are several issues we need to fix. You can see this is not 100% perfect design. Here all of these are emojis, so we need to replace them with proper images or icons where necessary. There are also some alignment issues here, and you can see the spacing is not correct in some places. Even this button does not look right. So we need to fix all of these issues manually. But I hope this saves you a lot of time and is helpful for your design workflow. So this is how you can use Claude AI to create a design in Figma. If this video was helpful, please give it a like, share it and drop a comment below. I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.